Caterpillar D1 to 2026 represents the future of heavy-duty earth-moving equipment, combining brute strength with cutting-edge technology to deliver unmatched performance in the field. Built to tackle the most demanding terrains and large-scale construction projects, the D12 is the ideal choice for contractors who demand efficiency, durability, and innovation. With its rugged design and smart features, this bulldozer stands as a testament to Caterpillar's engineering legacy and vision for the future. At the heart of the Caterpillar D1 to 2026 lies a powerful Cat C32 engine, optimized for fuel efficiency. While maintaining extraordinary output, this engine delivers a massive horsepower rating, allowing the D12 to push, rip, and haul with ease across even the most unforgiving surfaces. Whether it's mining operations, large infrastructure builds, or extensive road work, the D12 doesn't flinch. Caterpillar has also integrated its latest emissions technology, ensuring compliance with the most stringent global standards without sacrificing performance. The transmission system is equally impressive, featuring an electronically controlled, fully automatic power shift transmission. The D12 provides seamless gear transitions that reduce operator fatigue and maximize productivity. The smoothness in shifting allows for better traction control and fuel savings over extended operations. Combined with advanced hydraulics, this system gives the D12 unmatched responsiveness and pushing power in various soil conditions. The exterior design of the D1 to 2026 is both aggressive and functional. The heavy-duty frame and reinforced track system allow it to handle substantial weight loads while maintaining stability and balance. Wide, durable tracks improve flotation and minimize ground pressure, making it ideal for soft or uneven surfaces. The redesigned undercarriage enhances durability, extending the machine's life in harsh environments. Visibility and lighting are upgraded with LED work lights and a panoramic cab view, ensuring safe operation during night shifts or low visibility conditions. Step inside the operator's cab and you'll see the Caterpillar has completely the user experience. The cabin is now more spacious, offering superior comfort with an air suspension seat, climate control, noise reduction, insulation, and ergonomic joystick controls. Every aspect of the operator environment is tailored to reduce fatigue and enhance long-hour productivity. The high-resolution touchscreen display is the nerve center of the machine, providing real-time diagnostics, customizable controls, and access to CAT-grade technology. Speaking of technology, the D1 to 2026 is packed with intelligent systems designed to improve job site efficiency. CAT grade with 3D is now standard, allowing for precise grading with reduced reliance on surveyors and stakes. This reduces rework, speeds up project timelines, and ensures greater accuracy in every pass. Integrated GPS, terrain mapping, and remote monitoring through CAT Product Link allow fleet managers to track performance, location, and fuel consumption in real time from anywhere in the world. Safety has always been a top priority for Caterpillar, and the D12 is no exception. Features like the rear-view camera, object detection sensors, and slope stability alerts give the operator an extra layer of awareness on unpredictable work. Emergency e-stop systems, ground-level service access, and fire suppression integration offer peace of mind in critical conditions. The machine also supports remote diagnostics, reducing downtime and allowing technicians to identify and resolve issues quickly. The fuel system in the D12 2026 is optimized not just for efficiency, but also for longevity. High-capacity filters, advanced fuel injectors, and improved air intake systems ensure cleaner burns and less maintenance over time. It's designed for fewer fill-ups with a larger fuel tank and reduced consumption thanks to intelligent engine management. This makes the D12 more cost-effective over its operating life. Maintenance has also been simplified with centralized grease points, ground-level service bays, and onboard diagnostics. Caterpillar has developed a modular component layout, which means quicker part replacements and lower service times. With longer service intervals and a user-friendly maintenance system, the D12 offers more uptime and less hassle. Environmental responsibility is another pillar of the D12's design. Caterpillar has improved engine efficiency, incorporated emission reduction systems like DEF fluid injectors, and used recyclable materials and non-structural components. These enhancements help meet global emissions regulations while minimizing environmental impact, positioning the D12 as a responsible choice for eco-conscious projects. From a business perspective, the Caterpillar D1 to 2026 delivers a solid return on investment with better fuel economy, reduced downtime, extended machine life, and increased operator productivity. It becomes a crucial asset for large construction companies, mining operations, and infrastructure developers. Caterpillar's global support network ensures that parts, service, and expertise are always within reach. Regardless of location, optional attachments make the D12 even more versatile. From ripper configurations for breaking up hard rock to blade variants for different grading applications, users can customize the Bulldozer to meet the specific needs of each job. The quick coupler system makes it easy to switch between attachments, increasing flexibility on the go. Additionally, Caterpillar offers advanced telematics, predictive maintenance plans, and operator training tools to further boost performance and safety. The operator training simulator, for example, replicates real-world scenarios to help new users master the D12's controls before even stepping into the machine. With its imposing stature, high-end tech, and operator-centric design, the Caterpillar D1 to 2026 sets a new benchmark in the heavy machinery world. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a high-performance, intelligent machine built for modern challenges. Whether you're clearing ground for a mega construction project or pushing materials in a remote mining site, the D12 rises to the occasion. Every time, Caterpillar has once again demonstrated why it remains a leader in construction equipment, and the D1 to 2026 is proof that innovation and toughness can go hand in hand. The Caterpillar D1 2 isn't just ready for 2026, it's built for the decades beyond.